A bakery makes 7 trays of cookies on Friday. Each tray holds 36 cookies. How many cookies does the bakery bake on Fridays? Pause this video and try to figure that out. Okay, so we have 7 trays, and each of them has 36 cookies. So it's really 7 sets or 7 groups of 36. So what we really want to do is multiply 7 times 36. Now there's a couple of ways we could do this. One way is to think about it, well, that's the same thing as 7 times, and instead of 36, 36 is the same thing as 30 plus 6. And so here we can use the distributive property. We could multiply 7 times 30 and 7 times 6 to get, let me just do that separately. So we are going to have, I need to keep track of the colors, we're going to have 7 times 30, and then we're going to add that to 7 times 6. And so let me put the 30 here, 30, and then the 6. And then what is that going to be? Well, this first part right over here, 7 times 3 is 21. So 7 times 30 is 210. And then 7 times 6 is 42. And so now we're going to want to add these two together. What's 210 plus 42? Well, 210 plus 40 is 250, plus we have that other 2, so this is going to be 252. So that's one way that you could approach it. Another way that you could think about it is you could take 36 and you could multiply it by 7, put the 7 in the ones place right below the 6. And then you can say, all right, first, this is going to be, let me use different colors here, 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. And then you can think about, well, what is 7 times 30? Well, that's 210. And then you add everything together. Same idea, 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 tens plus 1 10 is 5 tens, and then you have 2 hundreds, bring that down, we got 252 again. And it's interesting to see, it's really just different ways of writing the same thing. I really did 7 times 30 plus 7 times 6. 7 times 30 plus 7 times 6.